is that what we find as we look particularly about content, more people have computers at home, not everybody. More people have broadband at home, quite a bit not, particularly low education, low income, some of our communities of color, seniors, people with disabilities. But then, how are people using computers? Are they using them effectively? Are they able to reach? And so, what we found and what others are finding is that the Latino community, African American computer users, are less likely to purchase products and services online. So, that means they aren't necessarily getting the cheaper prices. Or that means that maybe they're not as willing to pay the parking ticket that the city allows them to pay online, which means they have to make more trips. African Americans were more likely to participate in community organizations, but less likely to do this online. So it says something to us about we have to learn what does it mean to translate that participation culture to an online culture. Asian Pacific Islanders and African American computer users were less likely to use the computer to get health or medical information. A big issue, obviously. And then what's an interesting one is we're seeing a narrowing gap of more and more people using social networking tools. So part of the question is how effectively are people using social networking tools? And then can I use that as part of our digital inclusion initiative? So, got a picture later, but like the Somali Community Services is starting to have people sign up for their Facebook site, and they're also texting people announcements about their next class. So how are we using these tools? And are we thinking about how we're using them? And are we thinking about how to ensure there's equity